If there ever a season for fermentation, I would say autumn is it. It's all about preserving the harvest. And we have a lot of books in store that may help you on your fermentation journey. Or maybe you know somebody in your life and you're already thinking about Christmas and gifts and all those kinds of things. I wanted to highlight just some of our awesome fermentation books. Now, probably, maybe the best, most general book about fermentation, which gets very deep. This is by the fermentation revivalist, Sandor Katz himself. Kind of an upgrade from his original book that he wrote, and a deep dive into the art of fermentation. Cheese making, go deep by the world-renowned expert on making your own cheese naturally. Or how about miso, tempeh, natto, using all kinds of beans and legumes. And if you're into working with the beans, the grains, learn about koji and the alchemy of how to transform foods using koji. And if you're into fermenting your own alcoholic beverages, there's so many books on offer, including one that maybe inspired the whole craft beer and herbal renaissance in our beverages. Stephen Herod Buhner, absolutely amazing. The Wildcrafted Brewer, two more about mead and brewing. Okay, and if you're into beautiful books done very well with very intriguing recipes, Pascal Baudard have a number of his books in store as well.